In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock TradingView chart drawings. If you've ever nudged a trend line while zooming or accidentally grabbed a level when panning, this simple trick will save you a ton of frustration. Locking your drawings keeps your analysis intact so you can explore the chart freely without worrying about shifting anything by mistake. Start by opening your TradingView chart and finishing any drawings you want to keep in place. Add your trend lines, support and resistance levels, channels, or Fibonacci tools, whatever you use in your workflow. Take a moment to fine-tune their placement. Zoom in to make sure lines sit exactly where you want them and that labels aren't overlapping anything important. Think of this as your final pass before you lock everything down. If you're in the middle of drawing a tool, press Escape to exit drawing mode so you're not accidentally creating new elements while you prepare to lock the layout. Now, look to the left-hand toolbar, the vertical panel that holds your drawing tools. Find the padlock icon. This is the control that locks all of your drawings at once. Click it, and you're done. When the lock is active, you'll notice that your drawings can't be selected, moved, or resized. Try hovering over a line or a box. Your cursor won't grab it, and clicking won't bring up the editing handles or properties. That's your confirmation that everything is secure. You can still pan, zoom, switch timeframes, and add indicators as usual. The lock only affects existing drawings, so your chart navigation remains smooth and responsive. If you don't immediately see the padlock, make sure you're viewing the full drawing toolbar. Depending on your layout, you may need to expand the toolbar or hover to reveal hidden icons. Also, if the padlock doesn't seem to work, double check that you actually have drawings on the chart and that you've exited any active drawing tool. When you want to make changes later, just click the padlock icon again to unlock. Make your edits, ensure everything is positioned perfectly, and then turn the lock back on to protect your work. That quick toggle is all you need to keep your analysis stable and stress-free, and that's it. Open your chart, finish your drawings, and use the padlock on the left toolbar to lock them in place. It's a small habit that makes a big difference in keeping your charts clean and consistent.